Hello Taurus, Sun Moon Rising and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate kayo. So, first card po ninyo, we have the Miracle of Forgiveness with Archangel Jeremiah. The prayer that you can recite if you would like to is thank you, Jeremiah, for helping me understand the process of forgiveness. So this is really beautiful kasi mahirap no mag-forgive, hindi ba? Pero ang iba sa inyo sa ngayon may be willing now to give your forgiveness to someone. So napakaganda with the help of Archangel Jeremiah. Parang dumating na kayo sa point na mas pipiliin ninyong mag-forgive, no? Mas pipiliin ninyong magpatawad na rather than holding on to your galit, to your tampo, to your resentments, mga ganyan, no? So this is really good kasi kapag nagko-forgive tayo, nakakagaan ng pakiramdam, 'di ba? Nakakagaan ng isip, nakakagaan ng dibdib. Kaya this is a good decision on your part na you'd rather forgive than harboring resentment and emotional baggages, no? So we have connect with music. Thank you, angels, for inspiring me through music. So this is an invitation para sa inyo na mag-connect kayo with music. Okay? This is an invitation para sa iyo na kumonekta kayo sa musika muli, you know, at bumalik kayo doon sa kasi po pwedeng pupuwedeng dati ng mahilig kayo sa music, maaaring dati ng super connected kayo with music, yung gano'n. And now, maaaring nagkaroon kayo ng konting, siguro nagkaroon kayo ng disconnection, no, with music for quite some time. And ngayon, if you're going back, no, uh, to playing instrument or if you're going back to singing or kung alam mo yun baka nagsa-sound trip lang kayo lagi. So makakatulong ito na gumaan ang inyong pakiramdam kasi music is very therapeutic. Music is also very healing. Music is a very ano din ang tawag dito, music is also very healing, 'di ba? Nakakagaan ito ng pakiramdam, nakakagaan ng ah, ng pag-iisip, yung gano'n, 'di ba? Kaya kayo iniimbitahan na mag-connect kayo with music once again, to feel the relief, 'no, kahit papaano kapag kayo'y nakikinig or kumakanta. So we have Earth Angel. Thank you angels for inspiring me to be more like you. Ayan. So siguro ang iba sa inyo, Taurus, maybe you've been doing good deeds and kind deeds to other people and even before, no, siguro meron nang nakapagsabi sa iyo na thank you, thank you, Taurus, no, for being my Earth Angel. Thank you, Taurus, for um, helping me or whatever, 'di ba? Kaya maaari talaga na maano din kayo, very compassionate, no? Maaring very compassionate din kayo and kapag merong humihingi ng tulong siguro sa inyo, hindi rin ninyo matiis, no? At binibigay niyo din kung ano yung kailangan nito, kung kaya ninyo. So, by the way, maraming salamat for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na kayo. And also, maraming salamat din for not skipping the ads. Malaking bagay po yan sa akin. And also, please click the join button sa baba ng video kung gusto po ninyo na mag-join kayo sa membership. Okay? Salamat po. So, we have inner child healing. Ayan. So, napakahalaga din ito, na magkaroon na kayo ng inner child healing kasi in order for you to move on, no, totally na sa buhay ninyo. Kasi maaari, no, na ng mga bata pa kayo, when you were still a kid, maaaring nagkaroon kayo ng traumatic experience, anong bata kayo, or maaari nagkaroon kayo ng situation siguro sa family, 'di ba? Na yung parang sobrang napapagalitan kayo or maaaring nasasaktan kayo physically, yung mga gano'n 'no, or other kind of experience na talagang hanggang ngayon ano, hindi pa ito naghi-heal sa puso mo. Maaaring you grew up na hindi ito na-address, kaya hanggang ngayon maaaring yung mga desisyon ninyo, disposition ninyo sa buhay is being affected by that situation na parang hindi pa kayo nakakalaya from that. Kaya ngayon parang yun, parang naaano pa rin kayo, parang apektado pa rin kayo 'no, ng sitwasyon na yun, nasasaktan pa rin kayo. Romance and connection, for some of you, maaaring you are going to build a new love and you're going to build a love connection with another person. So siguro, lalo-lalo na kung kayo ay single pa, no? Maaaring ito yung sitwasyon ng iba sa inyo rito and you are building a strong connection with another person in love. Maaaring you're going to enter a new love and romantic relationship or po pwede rin na you are siguro maybe you are kung meron na kayong current relationship, if you have existing relationship, baka meron ditong pagle-level up ng inyong commitment with your person or po pwedeng meron ditong ano, siguro pag-improve lalo ng inyong relationship with your person. So siguro mas lalo kayong magiging mapagmahal sa bawat isa, mas lalo kayong magiging excited for having each other in each other's lives, yung mga ganon, no? Feeling ko dito, you will be more appreciating your person. So we have courage and bravery. Ayan. So sa ngayon, magkakaroon din siguro kayo ng tapang. Maybe you are going to, tawag dito, you're going to be more courageous, you're going to be more brave, 'di ba? Sa pagharap sa hamon ng buhay. You know, maaaring sa ngayon may mga challenges na nararanasan kayo in your life and hindi kayo dito susuko. Hindi kayo give up, hindi kayo susuko. Hindi mo to tatalikuran or iiwasan because you're going to be there, to face it, no? Parang ganon. So what else? We have opportunity and change. So meron kayong oportunidad ngayon para sa pagbabago, no? Maaring kayo yung magbabago or meron kayong mga babaguhin sa buhay ninyo. You're going to change, po pwedeng maybe aside from improving yourself, aside from reinventing yourself, maaari din you will be changing kunyari jobs, 'di ba? You're changing careers, mga gano'n, no? So, hindi lang yung on a personal level ang pupuwedeng magbago dito but also maybe you're changing um, trabaho, pagkakakitaan, mga ganyan, no? So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.